Hey guys, my name is Deja, and today we're creating a table for your database using phpMyAdmin. So before we get started, as usual, welcome to the Hostek channel, and please make sure you like and subscribe and turn on your notifications for this channel so that you never miss a new video. So let's quickly go over what a table is exactly. It's a collection of related data. It's the fundamental component of a database, and it defines the structure of the data, enabling you to perform different operations on that stored information. You can think of it as the container for organizing, storing, and managing your data within your own database. I'm going to show you how to create this step by step. Now, if you don't know how to create a database first, I'm going to go ahead and link our previous video on how to do this in the description box for you. Now, let's get started. We're going to create a table for this database name example, and we're going to name our table for this database user information, and we're going to stick to the standard 4 columns and click go. Now this is where we're going to name those columns and add information to the rows. We're going to stick with the same user information theme and name this first one ID. And we're going to leave it as an integer and not add any values yet. But we are going to make this a primary, which ensures that each of the values in this columns are unique and distinct. The next one we're going to do is user, and we're going to create this one for varchar. And we're going to add 100 characters in length. And then for our next one is going to be password. And we're going to leave it as varchar as well. Now you are able to adjust the character length as you need. So just as a heads up, it doesn't have to be 100. It can be whatever works for your database's needs. And the last one we're going to do is date, which you want if you're trying to figure out when your users created their profile. And we're going to also do this as an integer, but we are going to leave it at 100 character length. And once you have all this information, go ahead and click save. And then it'll redirect you to here where your table is created. And that's how you create a table. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Deja with Hostek. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you never miss out on one of our videos. We'll see you guys next week with a brand new one.